Do you need emergency fire, smoke, and water damage cleanup service right now? Call 855-712-8556. Our local emergency response team is available 24/7. We can be at your door within 1 hour. Do not delay. Fire, smoke, and water damage can lead to costly secondary damage if not treated professionally and quickly. The worst part is that insurance typically does not cover secondary damage caused by delaying, so you must not wait. We work with all major insurance companies and will fight to make sure your repairs are fast, thorough, and properly reimbursed. Call us now at 855-712-8556.